Amid escalating chaos and political upheaval in Bangladesh, Supreme Court Bar Association President A.M. Mahboobuddin Khokon has formally requested India to arrest and immediately return former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and her sister, Sheikh Rehana, to Bangladesh. At a press conference held at the SCBA auditorium, Khokon emphasized the importance of the relationship with India but insisted on the return of Hasina and Rehana, who have fled the country. Khokon accused Hasina of being responsible for numerous fatalities in Bangladesh, asserting that Sheikh Hasina has caused the deaths of many people. The press conference, attended by several pro-Bangladesh Nationalist Party lawyers, also saw Khokon, who serves as the Joint Secretary General of the BNP, demanding urgent political reforms. He called for the resignation of Supreme Court judges implicated in political misconduct and corruption within a week and sought the resignation of state law officers, including Attorney General A.M. Aminuddin, as well as the heads of the Anti-Corruption Commission and the National Human Rights Commission, all of whom were appointed by the outgoing Hasina administration. Khokon also demanded the release of political prisoners, highlighting the deteriorating situation in the country following Sheikh Hasina's resignation. On August 5, Hasina stepped down amid intense protests led predominantly by students advocating for the end of a controversial government job quota system. In a significant development, President Mohammad Shahabuddin announced the dissolution of parliament to pave the way for an interim administration. Concurrently, former Prime Minister Khalida Zia was released from detention. Hasina arrived in India on the evening of August 5, though it remains uncertain whether she will stay in Delhi or move elsewhere. In Dhaka, student activists have proposed the formation of an interim government, suggesting Nobel Prize laureate Muhammad Yunus as an advisor. Yunus is set to take an oath of office tomorrow, with the aim of addressing the nation's current crises. These unfolding events signal a period of significant transition and uncertainty for Bangladesh, with the international community closely monitoring the situation.